The branch of science which deals with the study of universe, galaxy, solar system, planets like Earth, physical and chemical composition of celestial bodies, just like planets, star, nebula, galaxies, etc., is called astronomy. The word astronomy comes from the Greek word astron, which means star, and nomos, which means law or culture. That is the law of a star. An Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei, known as the father of astronomy. So there are two theories we have seen in previous videos to understand the concept of solar system and universe. So first theory is geocentrism, and second is heliocentrism. So geocentric model of solar system. Geocentric theory given by Claudius Ptolemy in 140 AD. It is the concept of geocentrism, which deals with basically the Earth is as the center of universe. So the Egyptian Greek philosopher astronomer Claudius Ptolemy propounded the geocentric concept in the context of universe in 140 AD. According to this concept, the Earth is at the center of universe, while other planets, including Sun, revolves around the Sun. This is the concept of geocentrism. But in heliocentric model, and also called heliocentrism, propounded by Nicolas Copernicus about 15th century. Okay, so the astronomer of Poland propounded Nicolas Copernicus propounded the heliocentric concept in the context of universe in 1543 AD. According to this concept, the center of universe is not the Earth but the Sun, and all the planets are revolving around the Sun. But these two theories are not absolutely correct, because the center of universe is not Earth and also not Sun. Okay, Sun and Earth and our solar system is only a small part of universe. So after failed the concept of geocentrism and heliocentrism, the concept of a universe is evolved. So William Herschel in 1805 AD, a British astronomer, said that the solar system consisting of Sun, Earth and other planets are only a part of universe. That is, innumerable solar system like our solar system exist in the universe. Concept of universe given by Edwin Powell Hubble, 1805. After in 1805, American astronomer Edwin Powell Hubble told on scientific ground that the diameter of the universe is about 250 million light years and many galaxies exist in it. Some important point related to universe. Our home galaxy, that is Milky Way galaxy, in spiral in shape, uh, discovered by Galileo Galilei. Nearest galaxy Andromeda, Edwin Hubble. Proxima Centauri, nearest to Sun. Sirius, a brightest star, not galaxy. Pulsar, a high-speed rotating star, black hole. It is nothing but the last. It is nothing but the last stage of any star life cycle with high density and gravity. Okay. Asteroid, Kshudra Grah. Small irregular shaped objects revolve around the Mars and Jupiter, called asteroid. Comets, in Hindi also called Dhumketu, revolve around the sun. Meteors, Ulkapint, come to the Earth's surface, form lunar. Come to the Earth's surface, and after falling the surface of Earth, it formed the lakes. Just like Lunar Lake in Maharashtra, a lake formed by the Ulkapint. Constellation, group of stars in specific pattern, just like Saptarshi, Big Bears, Ursa, Major, Hydra, L, etc. Heliocentrism model. The supporter of Johannes Kepler, 1571. to 1630 AD. Concept of universe and solar system. So the explanation of motion of planets around the sun is given by Johannes Kepler, and on the basis of astronomical observation and mathematical calculation, John Kepler proposed three laws of planetary motion related to our solar system. First law, law of orbits, motion of all planets on an elliptical orbit around the sun. So the first law of orbit states that all the planets revolve around the sun in elliptical path, and sun lie on the focus of one of the focus of the elliptical orbit. In elliptical orbit there are two focus, but sun is at the one focus. Law of aerial velocity, that is dA by dt equal to constant. So dA by dt basically aerial velocity, J is angular momentum, and m is the mass of the planets. So aerial velocity of the planets revolving around the sun remain constant in any two points. Okay. So law of periods, a square of time period is directly proportional to the cube of semi-major axis, that is t square equal to k, t square proportional to a cube, the cube of semi-major axis. Our solar system, sun, planets, asteroid, comets. So we all know that sun is the head of solar system, a self-luminous body. Temperature of the surface of sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Contain helium and hydrogen. Takes fusion reaction in sun, in which two isotopes of hydrogen, that is deuterium and tritium, combine to form atom of helium. This is called fusion reaction, in which two small nuclei combine to form a big nuclei. The process is called nuclear fusion. So it is 109 times than the Earth radius. Aurora light poles north. So if we talk about the north pole of Earth, there are light of different color that called aurora. In North Pole, aurora borealis. In South Pole, aurora australis. Sunlight to reach Earth in 500 seconds, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Distance between Earth to Sun, 150 million kilometers. One astronomical unit, 150 million kilometers. One Chandrasekhar limit, 1.4 into mass of Sun. One light year, 9.4 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers. Layers of Sun: photosphere, chromosphere, corona. Photosphere have the temperature about 6000 degrees Celsius. All radiation comes from this layer. Chromosphere, temperature 32,400 degrees Celsius, layers of burning gases. Corona, it is about 2,70,000 degrees Celsius of the corona. Core temperature is millions of degrees Celsius. Pyrometer is an instrument to measure or record the sun temperature. Pyrometer. So this is the representation of all the planets. So there are asteroid belts. Okay. Before that, there are four planets uh, that are called solid planets. Okay. And after asteroid belt, this is called gaseous planets, because these are made up of gases. But Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are solid planets because they have rocky surface. But Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune have the cloudy surface, contain many types of gases. Pluto not is a planet because it intersects the orbit of another, and it is also not in spherical shape. So Earth time period 365 days. Different planets have different revolution and rotation periods. Mercury have the revolution 88 days. Venus 2247 days. Mars 687 days. Neptune years, and Saturn. Venus is time period 200 225. Okay, not here. Comma is basically point. So 225.7 days. All about approximately 225 days. Saturn 29.5 years. Uranus 84 years. Jupiter 11.9 years. So planets. What are planets? The celestial spherical bodies that have the property of revolution around its axis and rotation around star sun into fixed orbits, and have also spherical in shape. So these celestial bodies referred as planets. These are two types. The planets are categorized into two types, that is terrestrial, that have the rocky surface, and second is gaseous planets that contains the cloud and many type of gases. Trick to remember the all the planets of solar system. So trick is my very educated mother just shows us 9 planets. My for Mercury, V for Venus, E for educated, E for Earth, M for Mother, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, us, U for Uranus, 9, N for Neptune, and P for Pluto. So Pluto is not basically a planet because it is not in spherical and shape, and it intersects the orbit of another planets. So these 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are the terrestrial planets that have the rocky and solid surface. But remaining 4 are the gaseous planets because they have the cloudy and they contain clouds of many gases and dust particle, etc. So these planets are gaseous planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury revolution period 88 days, no atmosphere and no satellite. Smallest and closest to sun. Perennial range of temperature highest. Venus revolution period 225 days, atmosphere 97% of CO2, and that have no satellite also. So Venus and Mercury do not have any satellite. It is called Venus. It is called goddess of beauty, hottest and brightest planet due to CO2, morning and evening star. Earth twin shape and size, rotation and revolution are same. That is 225 days. Rotation and revolution are same. Clockwise rotation, that is east to west, opposite to Earth rotation, that is west to east. Mars revolution period 687 days, atmosphere that contains CO2 and NO2. Satellite Phobos and Deimos. It is called red planet due to presence of iron oxide, that is ferrous oxide. Yep. Most life exploration done on these planets. Smallest satellites of the solar system, Deimos, which contain the mountain that is called Nix Olympia. Jupiter revolution period, we have seen in the previous slides. It is I think 119.5 years. Okay, Jupiter. Atmosphere hydrogen, helium, methane, ammonia, and satellite Io Europa. 69 satellite totals, in which Europa is the I think largest satellite. Okay, in the solar system. Io. Yes, Io is the satellite by which the speed of light is calculated. So it is called yellow planet due to methane, and largest planet of solar system. 11 times bigger than Earth. Ganymede is the largest satellite, not Europa. Ganymede is the largest satellite of solar system. Saturn, revolution period 29.7 years, atmosphere least density and satellite 62. Titan L is one of the satellite. Saturn has 7 rings around it and has least density. Earth density 5.52. It is the most of solar system, but the Saturn have least density. Satellite is probe revolve around opposite direction. Uranus revolution period 83.7, that is 84th year approximately. Atmosphere methane and satellite 27 moons. Green planet due to most methane gas, uh, also called gas giant. Tilt lying planet, लेटा हुआ ग्रह कहते हैं यूरेनस. It has 5 tremendous rings, alpha, beta, gamma, theta, epsilon. Revolves in opposite direction. William Herschel discovered in 1781. Neptune. The revolution period 165 years. Atmosphere and satellite have 14 satellites. Okay, discovered by John Galileo. Triton Merida is one of the moons of the Neptune. Pluto. Revolution period 248 years. Atmosphere and satellite 14 moons. Discovered by Claude Thombo 1930. In 2006, Indian Astronomical Unit said that it is a dwarf planet intersecting with the orbit of other planets. Earth revolution periods 365 days, atmosphere and satellite 1 moon. We all know that. Blue planet due to presence of H2 and fifth largest planets of the solar system. Moon, a habitable satellite of solar system. So this is all about in this video. In next videos we'll cover the properties and feature of Earth in detail. So this is the basic information of Earth, but in next videos we will cover the most important points and features of physical and political features of Earth. So this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching.